You may be familiar with Keysight's optical power meter heads that are standard instruments in the fiber optic industry for production lines and metrology labs since over 20 years. But you might not be familiar with all the features of the adapters used with these remote heads. Without an adapter, the heads look like this. A large area detector is directly accessible and the head can be placed wherever needed in the setup or even mounted on a laser table post. So, how is the adapter connected? The D-shaped form gives a fixed alignment of the connector key with the head. The adapter is easily inserted and fixed magnetically. Most often, the heads are used to measure optical power from optical fibers, and there are adapters for most common fiber connector styles, like FC, SC, LC, etc. These position the fiber connector at the correct distance from the detector window to reproducibly and stably illuminate the detector. Since no physical contact is made to the fiber core itself, both straight polished and angle polished connectors can be used with the same adapter type. And when a fiber is attached but a different connector type is needed, the adapter can be simply pulled off without unscrewing and twisting the fiber. For previous generation threaded adapters that were screwed onto the head, there is an adapter ring that inserts in the head and provides the required threads. The ring or other adapters can also be additionally secured, as during shipping, with 2 set screws on the sides. If you found this video helpful, please check out our optical component test products on Keysight's website. You'll find the link in the video description below this video.